for this session, we have Dr. Indulekha and Dr. Raghavi, professors from Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. In forest villages, people face many problems and inconvenience in their daily life, namely like lack of healthy foods, lack of electricity, lack of education, lack of continuous medical support. So I would like to invite Dr. Indulekha ma'am for technology brief. Ma'am, please tell us how this technology has benefited the society and the reach to the tribals.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you for the opportunity given for me at the last minute also. I just want to brief out my technology, what we are doing in our project. Actually, it's an ongoing project. I just want to present the screen. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's a project where food supplementation is our main aim. Actually, the theme of your thing is the healthy society. Actually, what makes a healthy society? It is the measuring the public health success. And I just want to thank the panel members who concluded the point by saying that traditional food supplementation in our country will help in a great way. And that is the main aim and as well as the core technology, what we are going to follow in our project. And I just want to skip all these things because of the lack of time. And we have identified a village, a remote village in Tamil Nadu, which is Anaikatti, which is located in the southern part of Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Madam, your slides are not changing. Your slides are not changing. You need to click on the left icon.
Oh. Is it changing, sir?
No, ma'am. No? Yes, ma'am. Now it's changing. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is a village, that interior village named Anaikatti in Tamil Nadu, where 80% of the people are from the tribal community. So there are schools mainly meant for these tribal kids. Even a government school is running and a private school is being running. But those people, they are undernourished and malnourished, even though they are having the food ingredients or the traditional foods that is locally available. But they are unaware of how to use all those ingredients in their daily food. So our aim was to introduce the importance of these medicinal plants that is available in their area, as well as the plants that can be grown in their kitchen garden itself. And we imparted the significance of those plants that could be supplemented in the daily food by making some snacks out of it. Because as one of the panel members was saying that the taste differs from kids to kids. So they will not take it in a raw way. So we just want to make it as a tasty snack, but with the fortified manner, so that they will take it in their daily food and they will get the health improvement. So based on this, we just identified this place, and we have identified many medicinal plants like Vallarai, Moringa, Amla, Papaya, Neem, curry leaves that can be locally grown in their kitchen garden itself. So in order to give them the training, we just studied all those medicinal values and importance, and we published 4 different papers, which has, and out of the 4 papers, 2 were indexed in WHO also during this COVID time, because we were giving the significance of those vegetables and fruits that could be grown and it can be taken in the daily diet. So we conducted an awareness program and we interacted with the people over there, and we issued the nutrient-rich food recipe booklets also to the women in their places in both English as well as in the regional language. We have given a number of recipes that could be made out of the locally available materials in their kitchen garden itself, so that they can prepare those recipes and they can have it in their home. As well as we trained those women in the preparation of these food products, so that they can use it for their home, as well as they can sell those products in their local markets, that we call it as Sandai. In the local market itself, they can sell those products and they can earn money out of it. So that was our aim, and we a team from our college based on our DST funded projects. And I want to thank DST for this at this time for funding us for this project. And we went there, we interacted with the people, and we gave training how to prepare all those things, and we gave an awareness of the significance of the medicinal plants as well as the nutritive values which they carry in them, and how it helps in the upliftment of their health benefits. And we interacted with the adolescent girls over there that we just want to give an importance of the menstrual hygiene for those girls, because the village is a remote place and they doesn't know how to keep their menstrual health in a hygienic way. So that also we trained them, and we gave a training for homemade napkins also, so that at a cheaper cost they can prepare their own napkins in their home itself and they can benefit out of it. And some of the food products also we selected and we prepared and we distributed them, and we gave them the training how to prepare those recipes. And these food products we analyzed in NABL certified labs in the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University for the quality assurance of the nutritive values. And we gave the training, and these are some of the ingredients and products what we have prepared out of it. And now we are preparing many different food items and recipes. These are some of the equipments. I just want to skip it. And our final objective is to conduct a health camp. Initially, we have conducted a health camp over there to assess the health status of those people. And we have found that they are more number of anemic people over there. And they are unaware, as I already told you, they are unaware of the things that could be taken in the daily diet. Keeping all those in mind, we just supporting the effort in order to improve their health status, as well as to give them a job opportunity for the ladies particularly, because men, they are not at all going for work there. Only women are going for any household activities and they are earning from that. And one pathetic part was that children were not, they are not taking any interest to go to schools over there, even though private school is there, a government school is there for particularly for these tribal people, but kids are not going over to the school there. But so what they are doing, the school teachers or management, what they are doing is they are providing snacks and food, lunch, mid-morning lunch like that, and they are attracting those kids so that at least they will come to the school to learn something. So this is what the condition over there, and they lack electricity. Even the street lights they lack there, and proper. They actually, when I interacted with the people over there, their main concern was that they need a continuous monitoring medical system over there, because people like us, those society-oriented workers, health workers, we go there once in a while only, and then it is being dropped over there and it is not being continued. So their concern is that they want a continuous medical support for their health status to be maintained. So keeping all these in mind, we just actually our project is in between. So we have given only one training for those women regarding the preparation of these food products, and 4 more training has to be carried out in the forthcoming month. So this is the status, and I just want to thank for this opportunity, and I give the session now to our microbiologist, who is the technology implementer over there, and she is the one who is preparing all those food items. Over to Dr. Padma, please.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell us about more the product you.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'll tell you.
How many person got employed due to your technology?
Yeah, I'll tell you, ma'am. I'll tell you. So I would like to say something about the millets and the products. The status of the individual is the cause for great concern, especially in this pandemic period, as cost of curing any health issue is not affordable by people in rural areas. So hence, there must be a paradigm shift from biomedical model to social cultural model. This will also help to improve the quality of the rural life. See, most of the rural people, especially children, are very anemic, which makes them prone to many diseases. At the same time, they are very choosy in their food habits as well. See, there are many choices to be considered in this line. They are millets and medicinal plants. So some of the nutrient-rich millets are foxtail millet, This is the one foxtail millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet, little millet, and finger millet. And medicinal plants like betel leaf, moringa leaf, clove, ginger, tulasi, amla, garlic, neem, black pepper, cinnamon, lemon. And our research experimental studies have proved the nutritional value and the medicinal value of moringa. It is commonly called as the drumstick. And finger millet, it is called as the ragi. See, traditionally, leaves of moringa are used in India, but many people, they don't like the taste. We researched to find a way of giving them a rich, nutrient-rich products to all the people in the rural area. See, to enhance the nutritional value of health balls, we fortified by incorporating millets and medicinal plants in the products. See, when compared to wheat, maize, and ragi, maize, wheat, and rice, millets and medicinal plants were chosen for incorporation because they are rich in antioxidants, low in calorie, low glycemic index of 54 to 68, gluten-free food, and it has a good sources of iron, protein, carbohydrate, fiber, calcium, iron, etc. And it is also essential for maintaining nervous system and also improves glycemic control and found to be effective in prevention of diseases like anemia, diabetics, malnutrition. And see, though millets and medicinal plants have high nutrition than that of the cereals, even the utilization is not considerably flourished. So in order to increase the utilization of millets and medicinal plants, development of value-added products from millets and medicinal plants is necessary. So what we have decided is we made some products out of millets and medicinal plants. See, the nutritional value for 100 grams of the moringa leaves contains protein 9.4 grams, carbohydrate 8.28 grams, fiber 3 grams, vitamin C 51.7 milligrams, folate 40 milligrams, and calcium has got 185 milligrams, iron 4 milligrams, potassium 337 milligrams, and magnesium 42 milligrams. Finally, the phosphorus is 112 milligrams. So the 100 grams of moringa leaves contain this much. So we made some products out of the millets and moringa leaves. So we made the proportion for moringa and ragi millet balls. So we incorporated moringa leaves and finger millet to make this healthier, nutritious health balls. So the ingredients for this is ragi flour 60 grams, moringa powder 30 grams, rice flour 10 grams, jaggery 15 grams without white sugar, nuts 30 grams, and butter 20 grams to make this millet flour. So we have used 30 grams of moringa leaves to make this ball. So out of this 30 grams, moringa powder contains carbohydrate 3.5 grams, protein 2.82 grams, iron 2 grams, fiber 2.3 grams, vitamin 16 milligrams, And calcium, it has got highest milligram, 55.5 milligrams. Potassium, 101 milligrams, and magnesium, 12.6 milligrams. Finally, phosphorus is 33 milligrams. So the quality of prepared health balls are evaluated by giving the samples to all the people in Anaikatti and to the experts also. And we received an overall rating of good. Not only the health ball, we have many varieties of products out of the medicinal plants. And this is one with ragi pakoda, purely ragi, without adding any maida or wheat flour. And this is the little millet out of this murku without adding any maida. This one out of curry leaves. Curry leaves are contain high fiber and carbohydrate. So we have made this potato chips out of curry leaf. And these are the out of this millets and the medicinal plants.
Sorry for interruption, ma'am. Can you tell us, are you providing these food product like moringa, millets, or you train the rural women for them?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, I'll show the slides, no, ma'am, while they are making that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, we have given a training. We have planned for 5 different trainings for this, ma'am, for the preparation of these products. And we have completed 1 training for the number of 5 number of recipes. And we are yet to conduct the trainings. 5 of the trainings are yet to be conducted in the upcoming months. And we'll be giving the training for all these products. Apart from this, we have given a booklet also, recipe booklet also for them. So those, they can see to that booklet and they can prepare on their own also.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, are you developing this technology and for value-added products and then transfer to the rural women?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask something that how many person got employed due to these technology about value-added
employability aspect? Actually, the training process in progress. So we are aiming to at least make 50 women in that area to get employed based on this training. So self-employment, actually, it's a small cottage industry like thing, so that they can prepare these products in their home itself and they can sell in their local markets. So that is our aim, and the women are showing more interest because these things are simple ingredients what they get in their local places. So they are showing interest and also they are coming for the training. So we need to, and in the future we are going to finish off all the training, and definitely we have aimed for 50 at least minimum. So we will, I hope we can succeed in making those 50 women.